Hello students, I am Javian Nehal Mittal and your topic for today is Motor Vehicle Act. So, the Motor Vehicle Act of 1988 is a comprehensive act that has replaced the Motor Vehicle Act of 1939. It was implemented on the 1st July of 1989. So, the first act that came in force regulating the road transport vehicle was the Motor Vehicle Act 1914. This act of 1914 was later on replaced by the Motor Vehicle Act 1939. Later on, with the changing time, the need to introduce new changes became urgent, so Motor Vehicle Act 1988 was enacted. Now let's discuss the features of Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So it is an act that covers all the aspects of road transport vehicles. It is a legislation that ensures the welfare of a public after they meet with an accident. So, Chapter 2 of the Act deals with the licensing of driver of motor vehicles. Section 10 defines driving license as a license that is issued by the concerned authority to the driver of any vehicle to drive his vehicle otherwise than as a learner. Chapter 3 deals with the licensing of conductors of state carriages. Chapter 4 of the Act covers registration of motor vehicles. Under this, Section 39 tells about the necessity of registration. Then, liability without fault in certain cases comes under Chapter 10 of the Act. Section 140, Section 141, and Section 142 deal with liability to pay compensation in certain cases. On the principle of no fault, provisions as to other rights to claim compensation for death or permanent disablement and permanent disability respectively, where section 177 covers the aspect of general provisions for punishment of offences. It includes the concept of third party. The third party over here means those innocent people who are helpless and have been affected because of the reckless driving of the drivers. Now, basic rules of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So, according to Section 3 of the Act, no person can drive a vehicle without an authorized driving license and without any driving license authorizing a person to drive a transport, he cannot drive such a vehicle. Section 4 states that unless a person attains the age of majority, he cannot drive a vehicle. From Section 35 to 65, procedure for the registration of the vehicle has been laid down and it has been made mandatory to get one's vehicle registered. It is necessary for the vehicle owner to get third party insurance as stated from section 145 to section 164. That's all. Thank you.